Ever felt like you're stuck in a cycle where days blend together and your dreams feel just out of reach? It's frustrating, right? But what if the key to unlocking your goals isn't just about hustle and grind, but taps into the power of your own mind? Enter visualization. Buddha once wisely stated, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." This ancient wisdom, often overlooked in our modern era, has been practiced for thousands of years. It's like finding a hidden path in a dense forest, a concept echoed by philosopher William James, who noted, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind." Visualization is the spotlight on this transformative journey. It's a potent tool, akin to an architect sketching a blueprint before the actual construction begins. Picture yourself as that architect, and your dreams as the structures waiting to be built. It's a profound shift in perspective that can shape the landscape of your life in remarkable ways. In this video, we're diving into the game-changing concept that can transform your life, the power of visualization. Stick around until the end as we explore how this practice can be your secret weapon to break free from life's rut and step into a reality where dreams become more than just aspirations. Now let's dissect the visualization itself. Picture it as a dormant superpower within us, waiting to be harnessed. Ever catch yourself daydreaming, whether about a serene beach day or acing a job interview? That's the essence of visualization, but it goes beyond mere daydreams. It's like crafting a cinematic masterpiece in your mind, where you play the roles of director, scriptwriter, and star. Visualization is about constructing the life you desire in intricate detail. Imagine holding that hard-earned diploma, sensing the joy, and witnessing your family's proud smiles. Imagine crossing the finish line of a marathon and experiencing the exhilaration of accomplishment. It's about generating clear, vibrant mental images. Yet, it's not just about seeing. It's about feeling and believing. When you visualize, you're not a passive observer. You're an active participant. Feel the sand between your toes, hear the crowd's cheers, and smell the fresh paint in your new home. Your brain starts signaling, "This feels real." And that's where the transformative magic unfolds. So buckle up, because this practice has the potential to revolutionize your life in a significant way. Consider envisioning yourself as healthy and robust. Studies reveal that visualizing good health convinces your body to believe it. Your mind serves as a potent ally in both healing and maintaining fitness. If financial freedom is your aspiration, paint a mental picture. See yourself handling money wisely and living a successful and comfortable life. It's akin to setting the GPS for your financial journey. Whether you seek love or aim to strengthen existing relationships, picture scenes of happiness, love, and fulfillment. Visualization can be a valuable tool. Got goals? Visualize them. Whether it's writing a book, launching a business, or acquiring a new skill, see yourself succeeding at these endeavors. Visualization proves beneficial across various facets of life. Now we've established that getting crystal clear about your desires is the first significant step. How do you do it? Enter the process of visualization. A bit tricky initially, but stick with it, and soon you'll effortlessly paint your future. Begin by creating your dream blueprint, also known as idealization. Imagine yourself as an architect. Before constructing anything, you need a blueprint. Idealization is precisely that, a phase where you dream big and specify your desires. Instead of a vague, "I want to be happy," zoom in. Ask, what does happiness mean to me? Is it a fulfilling career, a loving family, or global travel? This step is crucial. It tells your brain, this is our target. It's akin to programming your internal GPS with precise coordinates. Moving on to clarity and consistency, the heart and soul of visualization. Clarity requires detailed visualization. Picture it as painting a mental image with colors, emotions, and sounds. The clearer the image, the more real it becomes. Consistency is key. It's like adding fuel to your visualization. Keep revisiting the vivid image. Make it a daily habit, like brushing your teeth or checking your phone. With consistent mental rehearsal, your reality gradually reshapes itself over time. Now, let's put these concepts into practice with a little exercise. Picture yourself standing on a snow-covered mountainside. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the imagery. See the endless expanse of white snow. Feel the crisp, cold air on your skin. Hear the soft crunch of snow under your feet, and smell the fresh pine in the air. Notice the comforting warmth despite the cold, wrapped up in your cozy winter gear. This exercise isn't just a mental getaway, it's training. You're teaching your brain to create and believe in a new reality. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more real it becomes, impacting your mindset and your life. Remember, the process of visualization is like learning a new language. It takes practice. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at the conversations you can have with your future self. Keep at it, and soon you'll be living out those dreams you've so vividly painted in your mind. But what happens next? How does this visualization process truly change things for you? Let's dive into that. Recall James Allen's quote, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you. You will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you." This perfectly encapsulates the impact of visualization. It's about transforming your thoughts. When you visualize, you're not merely daydreaming. You're actively shaping your future. If you invest time in imagining success, happiness, health, and love, your mind starts moving in that direction. You begin to think and see things differently. It's like planting seeds in a garden. The more you nurture these positive thoughts, the more they grow, eventually blossoming into your reality. This transformation doesn't occur overnight, but it's a potent shift. You begin to perceive opportunities where obstacles once stood, turning challenges into stepping stones rather than roadblocks. It's akin to donning a new pair of glasses that brings clarity and achievability to everything. Now let's delve into the true powerhouse behind all of this, your subconscious mind. Picture it as the engine room of a ship, silently running the show, even if you're not consciously aware of it. Your subconscious mind wields immense power in shaping your reality, acting as a faithful servant. It absorbs what you feed it through your thoughts and diligently works to manifest that into your reality. Visualization serves as your instruction manual for the subconscious. When you visualize, you're essentially telling your subconscious, "This is what I want to achieve." The incredible part: your subconscious doesn't discern between reality and imagination. As you vividly visualize, your subconscious begins to act as if the envisioned scenario is real. It aligns your actions, shapes your habits, and attracts circumstances that contribute to making your visualization a reality. This is the crux of the transformation. Continuous visualization programs your subconscious to recognize and seize opportunities aligned with your goals. Your subconscious becomes the navigator, finding the optimal route to your aspirations while skillfully avoiding traffic jams and roadblocks. The true power of visualization lies not just in conjuring a mental image, but in altering your inner programming, the blueprint of your thoughts and beliefs. As this inner landscape shifts, so does the world around you. Opportunities once invisible become visible, and individuals who can aid in reaching your goals begin to surface in your life. It's as if the universe rearranges itself to orchestrate the fulfillment of your dreams. Trust the process, much like a seed buried in soil. Immediate results might not be visible, but beneath the surface, things are happening. Your consistent visualization nurtures these seeds, and in time, they will break through the soil into the sunlight. Now that we understand how visualization works, let's discuss its real-life applications. A Swiss Army knife in your mental toolkit, ready to assist in various aspects of your life. Firstly, consider health. Your mind can contribute to healing your body. There's science behind it. Athletes use visualization to enhance physical training, improving performance by picturing themselves perfecting routines. This mental practice isn't exclusive to athletes. Anyone can benefit. Next, wealth and abundance. Visualize achieving financial goals. from earning more to achieving financial freedom. Regular visualization helps your mind identify opportunities to make these visions real, whether through job openings, business ideas, or smarter financial decisions. Your mind's focus becomes a magnet for your reality. Lastly, achieving personal and professional goals. Visualization creates a blueprint for success, be it acing a job interview, learning a new skill, or improving relationships. Imagine the situation in detail, feel the emotions associated with success, and mentally rehearse the outcome. This primes you for the real thing, building confidence and preparing you for success. As we conclude our exploration of visualization, let's recall some crucial takeaways. Visualization isn't reserved for a select few. It's a power inherent in each of us, akin to carrying a secret weapon in our minds. It's a natural ability we've used since childhood, now to be employed consciously and purposefully. It's akin to realizing you've had a potent tool in your toolbox all along, a capacity to shape your future, influence reality, and craft a life aligned with your deepest desires. So what's the holdup? Start using this incredible tool. Dedicate a few minutes daily to visualize your goals and paint a detailed picture of your ideal life. The desired career, cherished relationships, and the health and vitality you deserve. Let these images fill your mind, experiencing the emotions they evoke. Yet don't stop at visualization. Merge it with action. Visualization sets the stage, but your actions bring it to life. It's a partnership between inner visions and outer efforts, forming an unbeatable team capable of propelling you to heights you've only dreamed of. Summing up our discussion, ponder this powerful thought by Norman Vincent Peale. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. This succinct yet profound statement encapsulates the core of visualization. Your thoughts possess the ability to reshape your world, turn the invisible into the visible, and bring your dreams into reality. Carry this notion as you step into the realm of visualization. Remember, your mind is a canvas. What you paint on it today becomes your reality tomorrow. We trust you found the video enjoyable. Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you're new, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon for daily informative videos. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey.